Will County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 1:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elwood, or near Shannon, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Romeoville, Longport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Alsip, Mokina, Frankfort, Lemont, Midlothian, Justice, Worth, Willow Springs, Gulf Park, Oak Forest, Palos Hills, and Chicago Ridge. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 243 and 245. Interstate 80 between mile markers 130 and 147. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 11. This includes University of St. Francis, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, and Moraine Valley Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no